everyone, my name is Star Wars Boy, and welcome to another YouTube video. I'm sorry if I said I was going to do some games, but I just didn't have the camera for it. But today we are going to be playing with my cats, Rebel, Felicia, and Mittens.
Absolutely not.
Like and subscribe if you want more. Okay.
No, I do not want you taking pictures of this.
Okay. Hey, Rebel. Okay, let's head outside. Well, we're out here now. Come on, Rebel. So, let's get this started.
Where are you going? Oh, Daniel, come here. What are you doing with that?
Nothing.
Honey, Daniel,
Okay, now here's Rebel. Say hi. I guess he just wants to be lazy today. See if I can find Felicia and Mittens. Hi, here's Mittens. Mittens was another kitty that we found. Our other kitten, Cow, died. So,
please don't take the ugly things.
look. They're having fun. Now, let's see if we can find Felicia. Pretty much Rebel's a girl and Mittens a boy. So, I got them two mixed up. Well, actually, I knew that Mittens was a boy, but I thought Rebel was a boy until I found out that she was a girl. So let's see if we can find her. That's the old dog shed that we have. It brings back some good memories of our old dogs. Sorry if I do record that. See if we can find the others. I wish I was out here recording earlier, because last time that I was out here, I found, well, I did find a big cat. I think it was called the lynx cat. I don't know, but I think that's the mama cat making tracks. Let's head out here. Alright, well, stop scaring me. Okay. See, she's right here. No, not here. Guess we'll have to look somewhere else. Shoot. Rebel's under the porch. You can see her right there. Well, now she's out of the porch. Sometimes Mama Cat likes to hang out in the shade. I remember catching her behind the old tractor that my grandpa used to have before he died. He was a great grandpa. He was in the Navy once. So let's head over here. And you can see like the old boat that we used to have whenever I was a little kid, like a little baby. Oh, there's the old tractor. I'm sorry if the trees are in the way. Way. That's very funny. I just do not want to pronounce words these days. And here's something that we're still investigating. Pretty weird, right? I can't find Felicia today. This is part one of having fun with my cats anyway. Let's see if I can find them. If I can find Felicia. Okay, good. Well, looks like I can't find Felicia, but it's okay. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face like a Jedi. And lightsabers all around. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.